and welcome. This video series will explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal. This is the 6th episode in this series and covers over-the-air updates. Over-the-air update technology empowers you to update your engine and after-treatment software wirelessly, eliminating the downtime and expense associated with a visit to the dealer. This technology is enabled on all vehicles with model year 2017 and newer PACCAR MX engines and select vehicles with Cummins engines. The key to managing your updates is the PACCAR Solutions portal. Log in and toggle to the software dashboard. You will then see your fleet bucketed into 7 categories: unsuccessful, ready to install, update available, pending download, up to date, not enabled, and unsupported. To see if over-the-air updates can be performed on your vehicle, confirm that it is not in the box titled Unsupported. If you experience any issues with trucks that are supported, refer to the Help section of the PACCAR Solutions portal. The first step in the over-the-air process, or OTA, is enabling your vehicle to receive OTA updates. To enable, click on your Not Enabled box and select a truck by clicking on the VIN hyperlink. This will bring you to the Vehicle Details page, where you can select Enable Vehicle. You can also navigate to the vehicles list and select Enable All Vehicles. On the next drive cycle, your vehicle or vehicles will enable and then move to either Update Available or Up to Date. To update supported vehicles, click on your Update Available box and select a truck by clicking on the VIN hyperlink. Now that you are in the Vehicle Details page, click the Initiate Download button. This will change the software status in PACCAR Solutions to Pending Download, and the vehicle can now be found in the Pending Download box. The telematics modem checks for updates once every 24 hours. The next time the modem runs a check, the engine after-treatment software is downloaded to the modem. Once the software is downloaded to the modem, the status of the vehicle will be changed to Ready to Install in PACCAR Solutions. Now, you can initiate the final step in the PACCAR OTA mobile app. To do this, select your truck in Ready to Install status within the PACCAR over-the-air mobile app. Now, select Let's Get Started. Turn the key on and leave it on for the remainder of the installation process. To connect to your truck, press and hold the Cruise Control Set switch for 5 seconds. Ensure the following conditions are satisfied. 1. The engine is off. 2. The key on. 3. The truck battery is over 12 volts. 4. The parking brake is set. And 5. Your cellular phone battery level is above 20%. Now select Start Installation on your phone. Your phone should now display Installing the update. Your phone will prompt you to turn the key off. After 15 seconds, turn the key back on and leave it on until an up-to-date status is displayed in the mobile app. The software is now up to date. This will also be reflected in the PACCAR Solutions portal. Thank you for watching the Over-the-Air Updates episode. We created this video series to explain how to utilize the PACCAR Solutions portal. To continue learning more, watch episode 7 in this series, Managing Subscriptions.